Hi, today I'll show you how you can leverage Lovable AI and our new Omniston widget. First, go to lovable.dev site and create a free account. Then let's see how you can navigate to the specific guide within our documentation. Simply head over to docs.ston.fi, then go to the Developer section. From there, select Omniston Widget. Once you're in the Omniston Widget page, find a Try It with Lovable section and click the Build with Lovable button. Select the default workspace for your account. Lovable will plan and execute all the steps needed to implement the feature set based on the prompt we pass through the button click. After that, it will run for about 3 minutes. For the sake of this video, this step has already been completed, so I will move on to the testing part. In the Lovable chat window, you can find info about failed to load manifest 404 error. Follow the instruction. 1. Publish your app using the Publish button. 2. Copy the published URL. 3. Go to the Files view and find manifest file and edit the URL, or if you are in free version, prompt chat to edit it. Lovable agent will update this file, and then you need to publish the app again. Next, we can open our published URL to test the swap. Let's connect it to our TonKeeper wallet. We'll swap 0.01 TON for STON. First, we request a quote. If the quote looks good, we click Swap and confirm the transaction. After a few seconds, we'll see the swap confirmation, and we can also verify the transaction in TON Viewer. Now that you've seen how to build and test a swap app using the Omniston widget plus Lovable AI setup, you can go even further. You can prompt Lovable AI to build any landing page or simple app on top of this experience. Just describe what you need: layout, function, style, and Lovable will generate the base for you. Feel free to experiment, change colors, add new features, adjust flows. Use this as a starting point to create your own customized app, fast. You can also ask Lovable AI to automatically integrate a referral fee feature. Just feed it your wallet address and specify referral settings. Then every swap via your link earns you a fee. For details on how the referral program works, fee rates, vault withdrawals, etc., check our docs.